used for detecting the residual amounts of tetracyclines and beta-lactams in milk by the express immunochromatographic method. Prepare the required amount of the test tubes and test stripes. Test stripes removed from the fridge should preferably be used within 24 hours. Close the tube with the unused test stripes and store it at a temperature of 2-8 degrees centigrade. Milk samples shouldn't have any clots and sediments. Before staging the test, milk must be mixed thoroughly. Pour 200 microliters of sample into the test tubes. Mix the liquid from the dosing pipette with a 50-fold set and drain. Maintain the mixture at a room temperature for 3 minutes. At the end of the incubation, place the test stripes in the test tubes. Keep the test stripes with the mixture for 7 or more minutes at a room temperature. Pull out the test stripes. Read the result within 5 minutes immediately after the incubation. To store the test stripes with their test results, remove the sponge from the test stripe. There are 3 lines on the test stripe. They are the control line, the tetracycline line, and the beta-lactam line. The test result depends on the color intensity of the test line in comparison with the control line. The control line absence indicates an invalid result. If the test line is brighter than the control line, it indicates that there is an absence of appropriate antibiotic in the sample. If the control line and the test line are of the same color, it indicates the weakly positive result, which is at the level of the sensitivity limit of the method. A weaker color of the test line in comparison with the control line or the test line absence indicate the presence of appropriate antibiotic in the sample at a concentration above the sensitivity limit of the method.